Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix your Facebook Messenger group chat not working problem. If you are trying to send a message in group chat and it's not being able to sending failed, you can try out in this case. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If your Facebook Messenger group chat is not working, then the first thing you need to check is to go to your setting and scroll down, tap on Wi-Fi. Check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network or a cellular data. Once you have a strong internet connection, go back to Facebook Messenger. If that solves your issue, the next thing to do is to go to your Play Store. And the next thing to do is to go to Play Store and search for Messenger. Once you find the Messenger application, tap on it. If there is any kind of an update available of your Facebook Messenger version, then simply go ahead and update your Facebook Messenger. And you have an updated Facebook Messenger application, you can go back and see if that solves your issue. So updated Facebook Messenger version installed on your device. Once you do that and it solves your problem, then that's great. If not, go to your phone setting. Under the settings, scroll down and tap on app. From the list, tap on manage apps and search for Messenger. And tap it now. Under the app info page, tap on clear data at the bottom right corner and tap on clear all data. From the pop-up, select OK. Now one more time you will need to go back to Facebook Messenger and log into your account first. Now one more time you will need to go back to your Facebook Messenger and log into your account first. Since you have deleted all files data from a messenger, now once you sign into your account, your problem should be solved. That is how you can easily solve your problem whenever you are not being able to fix your Facebook Messenger group chat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.